LOV111VOL is an application that is used to manage a one-person business, a team, as well as an entire company, an entire organization. After launching the program, a login window appears. We enter the word human as login and password. Then we click on the login button. We enter our application. Since the topic will be the Team Password Manager, we will go to the Passwords application. To do this, we click on Apps. On the left side, we select Passwords. Now, if we look at the main view, we see that there is already one password added. We can edit it and we can see what is inside, namely, whether people are assigned to this password, that is, only those people will see this password. Here we have a clock icon that stores the history of this password, that is, when, who changed the password to what, in the form of a tooltip, that is, a hint. Now we will add a new password for ourselves. To do this, you need to hover over the plus button, and this will be the password for Facebook. Let's write out login1 as the login, and as password, password1. As for the path, you can specify a website or the file path of some application for which the password is required. As for the passwords themselves, passwords are encrypted in such a way that not even the system administrator or service can decrypt them. Only the software manufacturer can. Passwords are completely secure. Plus logins, names, description, and other properties of this password here. If we want a few people only to see, we can choose from a list, or we can choose a team. As we can see, only members of this team will see this password. Now the icon appears. Many people means that this is a group password. As we go into Edit, we see that only those people can see it. If we want to copy this password, we can press this button, and it's copied. Control V, and we see that there is a password. This arrow takes us directly to this application, where we can use this password. If we would like a password for personal use, we press plus. We write our own password, log in, password, some page, some description, and we select only ourselves here. By default, we are already selected, and we save. As we see now, only one person appears on the left side, the icon of one person. That means this password only we can see, and it is only for us. It is not for the group. There is one more type of password, and that is public. It can be public for a group, if there is any group. Let's say, in this case, there is some building where people are staying and they use the Wi-Fi password. Let's type Wi-Fi, some login, some password. Here we just click to make it public. And now, writing down this password, we see an I here. This I tells us that absolutely all users of this system have access to this password. That is to say, where there is user management, all these users can see this password. As I mentioned earlier, the application is encrypted with a private key and a public key. Even the administrator, even the service is not able to guess or decrypt this password.